here today, and we're gonna do a little bit of a little fall look that I have in my head, but I'm also going to be talking about this. I had this for a while and I've been trying and dying to literally do this. If you haven't seen a post on my Instagram, I did post 2 pictures of me using this, and I did use it for a whole day. I am in love with it. It's basically, this is a brow silk kit, and I've been loving the natural brow, just giving it a little bit of tint type of look. So it literally is this little tiny gold case thing, and it's literally like this, a little balm, which is kind of hard, but it's soft on the eyebrows, and it came with a little toothbrush, so it's like this. Yes, and if you haven't seen the picture, go ahead on my Instagram. Everything will be right there. You can go ahead and check it out and like it, and you know, do whatever you want. Follow me because I follow back. But yes, it came like this. So we're gonna see how the eyebrows go along with this. I'm probably gonna do a little bit of an eyebrow tutorial, brand new one, because it's been a couple of years and I have been using different techniques to do my eyebrows, a little bit more natural and more my touch. So we're gonna do that. But this video is just gonna be me doing a little bit of a little fall makeup look. I think I'm just not gonna talk. I'm only gonna talk on this type of intro. But yeah, let's go on with the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, do all that stuff. And I love the great support you guys have been sending me, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. So let's get on with the video.